In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy all of your open tabs' names and URLs in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, look for a tab copying extension. Two examples are Copy Tab URLs and Umbrella. Either option can help you collect the names and links from all of your open tabs. When you find the extension you want to use, install it in Chrome. The installation usually only takes a moment. After the extension has been added, open its settings. If this setting is not enabled, you may only copy the links and not the tab names. Once the settings are correct, go back to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extension icon. If you have several extensions installed, you may need to open the extensions menu first and then select the one you just added. After opening the extension, choose the option that says Copy or Copy URLs depending on the extension. At that point, the extension will copy your open tabs to your clipboard. In most cases, this copied list will include each page title along with its matching URL. You can then paste that information anywhere you need, such as a document, note, or message. That covers everything you need to know.